The human body truly is an amazing creation. It has the ability to do so many things. We can walk, run, talk, sing, and do a number of other productive and fun activities. At the center of all this activity is our brain. Typically, when we think of our brain, we don't think about it as being a physical organ. The brain, however, is very active. Without it, our bodies would be nothing more than an empty shell, like a car without a motor. And just like a motor, if the brain isn't taken care of, our entire body can break down. One of the ways we take care of our brain is determined by how we perceive the world around us. Although some believe our thoughts have no impact on health, nothing could be further from the truth. Just think of a time when you thought something was irritating. You probably literally felt a sensation around your forehead or back of your head. How about the time you thought a situation was stressful? Your shoulders, back, and neck more than likely immediately tightened up. Why is that? Any perception the mind has initiates a number of physiological responses. Negative perceptions create a flood of biochemical reactions that include putting certain cells called neurons on alert and taking away energy from our immune, digestive, and endocrine systems. This energy is then redistributed to our brain and muscles. Since these are all normal reactions the brain starts, what's the problem? Well, problems happen when these incidents occur on a consistent basis. All of these mechanisms the brain starts are meant to be temporary. Remember, these are all initiated by how we respond to situations around us, and response is based on perception. If our perceptions continue to be negative, these mechanisms stay intact, putting a tremendous burden on our bodies. This eventually leads to serious health problems and chronic disease. All of this leads to a cycle where, because of negative perceptions, our health suffers. When health suffers, so does our mental health, which leads to more negative thinking, and the cycle continues. The ability to control stressful situations and not let them control us is the first step to restoring biochemical balance in our brains and allow the body the ability to heal itself.